Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy recipe for chocolate muffins. If you need something quick to bake for your kiddos or even include your kiddos into baking, this is perfect recipe for you. It's absolute favorite in our family. And I'm a mama, I don't like spending a lot of time in the kitchen, so I'm sure that this is a perfect recipe for mamas. If you're new to my channel, hi there. My name is Stančica, I'm a young mama, I make motherhood and lifestyle videos. If you like that type of content, please check out other videos that I have and subscribe to my channel. I would be so glad to have you on my channel. Without more talking, let's move on to the recipe.
I'm going to use Nutella for filling, flour, eggs, milk, chocolate chips, sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla sugar, baking powder, and butter. First, I'm going to warm up milk to melt cocoa powder inside, and I'm going to mix baking powder with flour. You want to make sure that your milk is warm and not too hot because you're going to mix it in the mixture with butter and eggs. First, we're going to mix butter for just a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and mix it. Now I'm going to add the rest of the sugar. And vanilla sugar. I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl and make sure everything is well combined. I'm going to add one egg at a time to make sure that every egg is well combined in mixture, and you want to make sure that all of your ingredients are room temperature because you don't want to have room temperature butter and cold eggs because that's not going to make well combined mixture. You're going to have lumps of butter and that's not what we want. And you want to make sure that you mix your wet ingredients first and then you add all of your dry ingredients. And every now and then you want to scrape the sides of your bowl to make sure that everything is well combined. And you can hear my baby in the background trying to help me do this voiceover. Now I'm adding cocoa and milk mixture, and those are all of my wet ingredients. Moving on to dry ingredients, I'm adding spoon by spoon flour and baking powder mixture, trying not to make a lot of mess, but I'm still making mess, and I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna scrape the sides one more time to make sure that everything is mixed in and everything is well combined. And you can see Nicola is right here trying to help me bake these muffins. This is how my muffin mixture turned out. I'm going to use plastic piping bags because I feel it's less mess to clean up, and I just throw them away once I'm done with them, and that's why I'm using them and I like them. But you can always put the mixture in the cups with spoon or with spatula, whatever you want, whatever you prefer. So now I'm going to put a layer of muffin mixture, then I'm going to fill them with Nutella filling, top them up with muffin mixture again, and sprinkle them with chocolate chips. And you can see Nicola here trying to lick raw muffin mixture. Once I saw that, I tried to stop him, but he kept on trying, so that was a real struggle for me. My little helper is here helping me putting these chocolate sprinkles on the top of the muffins, and you can see how generous he was. He even ate most of the chocolate chips. Now we're gonna bake our muffins on 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 minutes, depends on your oven. Maybe even more, maybe even less. And muffins are done.
Okay, so my muffins are done, as you can see right here. They're not perfect because I left them in the oven for a little bit too long, because they weren't done after those 20 minutes, and I was supposed to leave them for 5 minutes longer, and I left them for 10 minutes because I forgot about them. But they're still okay. They're just a little bit drier from what they were supposed to be. They were supposed to be more moist and fluffier, not like this, but we're still gonna eat them. It's okay. Things like this happen, but I wanted to be honest with you. I'm gonna try one right now, and I'm gonna give Nicola one to try. And this is it for this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, that's everything that I have to say. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Say yum yum. Yum yum.